All right, everybody, welcome to another episode of Snow Vision, where we do hunting and fishing and pretty much anything I think you guys will find exciting. And right now we're doing fishing because hunting season ain't open.
But y'all know damn well it's always hunting season.
So we're out here at Buddy's Pond, Nemiatoad, and we're gonna see if we can get some lufkins on the board. Come on. Say first cast, like every time. Fish on the first cast. There's one. All right. This is the first one of the day. It's a little guy, but got him on the top water. Black and blue. That's what did her. All right, thanks, buddy. Lucky I got him. I was way late. I was way late on this hook set. Oh, there's one. That's a good shot. Oh. Feels like a decent one. I always feel good pulling them through this stuff, though. You called it. Cast over here by the fern. Oh. Nice. Nemiatoad called it right there. Cast right over there. That's always a good spot. Wham! Smoked it. See you later, buddy. Awesome.
I keep saying awesome too much, but I need to stop.
Ever since I bent them hooks out like you told me to, I've missed like only one. Remember I told you I was having problems getting them hooked?
You know, you just buy some Spros, you don't have that fucking problem.
Spros, eh?
Bronze eyes.
Who makes that?
Spro.
Oh, that's the brand.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Thought maybe one would. Oh!
Missed him?
Fucker. Thought maybe one would hit it in that opening. Right as I get it out of the opening, it hits it. Ever since I bent them hooks out like you told me to, I've missed like only one. Yep. Sitting on next to them logs or something. Oh! There
I got him on that one. And back for more, dummy.
God. This little guys, but they're fun to drag through the weeds.
He's really small.
Well, you can't have all big ones, you know. Yeah, they're in here. I'm just using my throttle from Abu Garcia. Just a spinning combo. If you want to pick me up on some sort of deal, I got 74 subscribers. Get about 30 views. 25 of them are my own. Down here getting a little pre-fishing in for some buddies of mine. Fishing the Classic next week.
You can't help them.
Well, you did hear about that boy up in Minnesota, this boy without any eyelids.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah. They took his foreskin and sewed it on and made eyelids out.
Oh, really?
Yeah. No, it's real. They said he's gonna be okay, just a little cockeyed. We're out here in central eastern Nebraska looking for a 5-pounder. I don't know if they're in here. Been told stories about them. We also have a chance to catch master angler crappie in this lake. Wouldn't that be something? I mean, catching a bass, that's nice, but if you get into a master angler crappie or even a master angler bluegill, woo, that really just gets me going.
You're not going to catch a master angler bluegill.
All right, no master angler bluegill, but whew, you imagine catching a 15-inch crappie? I can. I've done it before. Possible world record? No. You like them?
We got length, but they're fucking skinny bitches.
You don't like them thoughts?
What, are you retarded?
They might be sitting on a offshore hump, so we're gonna go ahead and move out maybe to an offshore hump.
Do the Humpty Hump. I'll do the Humpty Hump. Sexy baby.
Mid-afternoon update, move spots. See if we can get on some big slabs. Possibly a decent smallie. Smallie probably 0% chance, but might get a slab. You never know. Might have a smallie wash upstream from the Niobrara. Wash upstream, I just said.
You know, with this flooding, you don't know which way the water goes anymore.
I literally just said wash upstream. It's like that one place where the only place the water goes north or something.
Water goes north all the time. The water goes north into here.
What? I mean, I don't know. Where were we at? Where we're driving by, and I don't. God damn it!
Water.
We're talking about something running south. I don't know. At one time, the glacier cut through here and made the water run the opposite direction. I don't know
Just
what
stop.
we're at. God damn it!
Just stop it.
You know.
Stop.
Talking. It goes north, south, east, or west. It goes wherever it wants.
No, it always flows a certain direction.
Downhill.
Yeah, that's what I mean, but no, like rivers, don't they always flow south?
Eventually.
Make me look,
Twists and bends.
make me look like an asshole.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. God have mercy on your soul.
All right, switch up to a little crank, ultralight crank. See if we can get anything to react to it. Maybe it's a reaction bite. I think we might have got out here a little late, got to the end of the topwater bite. Like I said, we work all night, come out, try to hammer. It's the life we live. Team no sleep. Doing a little bit of back trolling here. About.
Back trolling for walleye.
Why don't you front troll for walleye? I don't get that.
You can front troll for walleye.
I know, but why do they back troll? What's the point of that?
Because their motors go slower in reverse.
Oh. I got 2 minutes and 40 seconds to figure it out though. Life is good. Got him. Oh, I've only got like a minute and a half to get him reeled in.
Inside the boat. Look at him.
Oh,
Little bait upgrade.
he choked it. Woo!
Making a clutch performance.
Yeah, closing time. He choked her. Woo! There he is right here, boys. That's what we're trying to get. Billy the bass. A minute to spare.
Oh, clutch.
Ain't bad.
Good eater size. You take about
Don't say that.
500 of them out of here. Why?
Eater size. I ain't
This
never.
fucking lake's dead, dude. I gotta get them out of here. Lake, pond. Hey, everybody, look at the nerd.
Gotta do it for the gram.
Ah, what does he smell like? He's been eating.
Pussy.
Grow the fuck up.
What's his lips look like? Are they all red?
Nope. Yeah, they're not red at all.
They're sharp. Only bait fish.
Yeah, they're definitely not eating clams or nothing.
Clams.
I don't fucking know.
Fucking clams.
You want to get a release of him? We can get a good release here. See you later, buddy.